everybody, what is up? It is me, the dude, and welcome to Star Studio Lab. With me, as usual, is Kylie Burst from WCC. Oh, hi, welcome back.
Thank you, I'm so excited to be back.
Cool, all right, so what are we doing today?
Well, so we are talking because you know this, I am a meteorologist.
Right.
And that means?
You study meteors. Or actually, I know this, you study the weather.
That's
and
right.
climate and stuff.
Exactly. So do a lot of forecasting, and we talk about natural disasters. So we talk about that sometimes too. Disaster that happens naturally. So humans don't cause it. So you think about like earthquakes or volcanoes. And we're focusing on volcanoes today.
All right,
we're actually
cool.
going to make our own volcano. But first, we have to talk a little bit about what a volcano is, right?
Okay.
So it's a hole in the ground that goes all the way down. So usually it's in the form of a mountain, and then it goes all the way down inside of Earth.
Yes.
So this isn't a hole that you fall into when you're walking, you know, to the park or whatever.
No, you usually want to stay away from them unless they're dormant.
Yeah, nice word. Okay, dormant volcanoes means that nothing's happening. Although, even if you're by a dormant volcano, there's always a chance that it could erupt.
Oh, boy.
It's always a chance. But for the most part, these volcanoes, we know when, you know, there's going to be, we'll start to see those little, what do you call them? The warning signs. You'll see little spits of ash
Spits
going
of
up.
ash, maybe some smoke.
Yeah, some
Perhaps.
smoke, exactly. But it's when the magma comes out and becomes lava, that's when we need to get a little bit worried. Stay away from those volcanoes. But we're gonna make our own today, which is going to be really fun.
And we're not going to use magma or lava. We're going to use normal household products.
Yeah, so anyone could do this, because it's going to be really easy. So easy that you and I can do it.
Okay,
We'll
that's
find
really
out.
easy.
We'll
All right.
find out. Okay,
Yeah, we'll see.
first thing we need to do, 6 cups of flour. So can you help me out?
Oh, sure.
I'm gonna put you in charge.
All right.
So right now what we're building is the volcano. So essentially, this soda bottle is going to be our volcano. So it's ready to go, and we're gonna build it on here. So we're gonna make some room for everything.
Here's one.
1 cup, excellent. Very good. We're gonna put everything in here.
Okay.
Okay. So we need 6 cups of flour. So what we're building right now is what's going to be around the volcano. Okay, number 2, very good. And while you're doing that, I'm going to add 2 cups of salt. Here we go. Add a little more. Get the salt in here. Are you keeping track?
Yes. That was 4.
4.
Yeah.
Got it. You got to keep it right. This is science. You got to be exact. So we need 6. Did you get to 4 or 6?
Oh, 4. You
That's
need
okay.
6?
We need
Okay.
6.
Oh, gosh. Okay.
That's okay. I'm adding in my 2 cups of salt. Okay. And then I've got some cooking oil over here, and this is what's gonna help kind of blend everything together. Let's see here.
There's 6. Okay, 6 cups of flour.
Excellent job.
And you added how much of salt?
2 cups of salt. So just some
lot.
plain salt. Yeah, you don't put that much on your food.
Now, do we want to mix it?
There you go. Got a great spoon for you. Okay, so we gotta add in a little bit more, and we're gonna need 2 cups of warm water too. Okay?
Okay.
So we've got some water over there, we'll use that. So I'm gonna do 1, right? 1. Oh, we're gonna do 4 tablespoons of cooking oil here. 2,
Okay.
3,
Nothing's happening.
and 4. No, we're not gonna see the eruption just yet. Right now we're just building the volcano,
Now,
okay?
you want me to stir it?
Please stir, and I'm gonna pour out some 2 cups of water here. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. So keep moving. Can you hand me that water? I know I already gave you stirring.
Oh, what? Oh.
I gave you 1 task, now I need you to do another.
Okay.
Okay, excellent. Okay,
All right.
Continue stirring. Can you sing the stirring song again? I really enjoyed
Here
that.
we are, stirring the bowl, stirring the bowl.
2 cups of water. Get ready, because this is gonna get a little full. So we don't
Okay.
want to we're gonna make a mess after, but not just yet. Okay.
Feels so far like we're not even making a volcano. We're making my mom's ginger snap cookies.
Oh, well, I guess we could add a little bit of cinnamon in there, but I don't think you want to eat this. This is going to be some gooey clay that we're going to mold around our volcano right here. Okay, keep stirring, looking good.
There we go. Stirring.
nice.
Ooh, yeah. That's starting to look really good.
That does look really
It's
good.
actually taking me a lot of self-control to not just take some and go
Oh,
in your face.
I appreciate
but-
your self-control.
You're welcome.
Sometimes that's the fun of science experiments, though. You get a little dirty.
Yep,
It happens,
is
a little
fun.
messy.
You're right, like art projects too, and science
And you're doing a great job.
How
Okay.
much more? Because it's getting really hard
It should
to
be
stir.
smooth and firm. So let's just smooth it out a little bit. I know you've got some muscles in there. Excellent job. I'll take over.
Take over because
Here
I
we
know
go.
you got muscles too.
Here we are. We gotta get in there. Nice. You did a great job.
Can you do the song?
Stir, stir. What was it? Stirring the ball.
Okay.
Stirring.
Okay, you don't have to.
Oh, all right. Well, okay. So, I'll stick to science then.
All right.
Okay.
Whoa.
Oh, cool.
Looks like oatmeal or something.
Doesn't it? All right.
Yeah,
So we've
cool.
got our pan, because we don't want to make too big of a mess in here, right? You've got some other shows that are happening in Star Studio?
Yes.
Okay, so we don't want to make too big of a mess. Okay. But we're going to get our hands dirty.
All right.
So here's what we're going to do. So that is our volcano. So now we're going to build the ground around it. So I'm going to grab some of this. Whoop. I'm just going for it.
Oh, I get it.
Uh-huh.
Cool. Can I help you with that?
Yeah, get in there.
Awesome, man.
This feels kind of cool. Kind of like the slime.
It is like that slime.
It's like the slime. I know you love the
Probably
slime.
smells like that. No,
Ooh,
doesn't
nope,
smell good.
don't smell it too closely. Okay, so we're building our volcano. So here we go. I'll hold this for you. Get it in there. And we could probably go to like right about there. That would be fine. We don't need to go up all the way. Okay. Oop. Just grab it out of my hand. It's fine, dude.
Yes.
Okay, very good. This is a good looking volcano. I'm proud of us. It almost looks like a white sand volcano.
It does look really nice. Now I'm going to really pat it because I really want it to be, I kind of have a vision
Oh, you have a vision. All right, I'll let you.
how it, yeah.
Okay. This looks good. Excellent.
Cool.
All right, well, now we want to wash our hands.
All right.
Does your hair like having stuff in it?
No, not so much. It's really hard to get out. So,
Perfect.
well, I think we'll be okay. I tell you what, we'll wash our hands. We'll come right back. All right, there we go. Washed and proud, ready
Nice
to
and
go.
clean. Ooh, okay, got a little splatter off of yours there too. Excellent. Well, we do have our volcano ready to go.
Okay.
Looks good, looks great. Now we are going to make it erupt.
All
so
right.
what we have to do is we have to kind of make that chemical reaction that happens in nature happen right here. So we're gonna do that by starting with some water. Could you please pour, this is warm water.
Okay.
Pour it most of the way in. So we don't want it to be all the way to the top. Make sure you leave a little bit of space.
Okay.
And then, so whenever you see magma, it's always red, so we're gonna make that with some red food coloring. Oh, nice work. Dude, I'm just so impressed. Very, very good. Oh, that's
I
okay.
got cocky there.
That's all right.
Sorry.
You're forgiven. Okay, adding in some food coloring.
Cool.
Nice. Oh, this is gonna look good. This is gonna look really good. Maybe one
right.
more dot just for fun. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to take our detergent right
Okay,
here.
yes.
6 drops in there.
Ooh, it's free and gentle.
Oh, there you go. And before we do
Perfect
this,
for your homemade volcanoes.
dude,
What? Oh,
we're gonna
really?
add in an
Oh, it's
element of
time.
safety because now we're starting to make a chemical reaction. So we gotta protect our eyes. Looks good. Looks very good. Okay, 6 drops.
Okay.
And I'm gonna get the big.
Oh. Okay, I don't know if that counted as one. I think we're okay. One,
All good. Okay,
2,
very good.
3,
Nice. Don't lose
4.
count.
What?
Don't lose count.
Was that 4 or 5?
There you go, now you're
Okay,
5.
6.
There you go.
When you talk, and it's really hard to keep track
Is
of my
it?
numbers.
Oh, well, you
okay.
know. So don't do this with a friend then. Do it by yourself. Okay, so now we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of baking soda. So
How many
let's
is
see.
that?
This is 1.
Oh,
so I'm gonna
gosh.
kind of make a, oh, you know what? We have a funnel. Da, 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 da. All right, and then I want you to have the vinegar ready to go because that is what's really going to make this go. So as soon as I'm done with this, we're gonna pour, oh, yeah.
Good thing.
don't-
Okay, I knew
don't
that
do
was coming.
Okay,
That's 1.
okay, 1. Here we go.
2.
2. And then do you want the funnel up or should
Yeah,
we?
funnel up.
Okay,
Nope, funnel gone.
funnel gone.
Nope, funnel.
Okay,
take it. Take
here
it.
we go. We're gonna take it. I believe in you. All right, now we are going to make it happen. Slowly pour it in.
And tell us what's happening.
So this is a chemical reaction between the baking soda and the vinegar in there. And what that's doing is releasing carbon dioxide out. There's our volcano, look.
Wow.
And that carbon dioxide, which you know is in kind of like soda and pop, it gets fizzy and creates this pressure, and that pressure, it needs to go somewhere.
Right.
So it has to come out of the volcano. And that's exactly what happens in a regular volcano, not with the vinegar.
Right.
But the magma inside, eventually there's too much pressure in there,
Right.
and it has to go out. Just like if you shake a bottle of pop, it has to eventually come out. So that's what happens. And it erupts, and it creates a
goes there.
volcano.
And I was gonna say too, like because it's so hot.
Yeah.
It's like this wasn't hot, but
No.
it does create a chemical reaction that pushes it out. But like volcanoes and stuff,
Yeah.
it's like the heat has to go somewhere, right?
Exactly.
And that's why there's the openings to those,
It's like
volcanoes.
a vent. Think
Yeah.
about like a vent. You see the vent in your car or in your house?
Yeah.
It's a lot like that. But eventually all that stuff below it gets too pressurized and it has to go somewhere. You gonna
Will
do
it
some
keep
more?
going?
Let's find out. Oh, it will a little bit. That's so cool.
Wow.
I
Awesome.
like it. So there are so many different volcanoes across the world, about 1,800
Wow.
or 1,900 that are active right now. So that means they could erupt. 1,900.
And if I'm not mistaken, Kylie, like some volcanoes are like misleading because it's like, Hawaii.
Mm-hmm.
The islands of Hawaii are actually the tops of volcanoes from underwater.
Exactly. So they're made from volcanoes.
Yeah.
And that's why, because they've got that cool kind of volcanic ash looking rock
Right.
there. So there are a lot of volcanoes that are underwater. There are volcanoes that have become islands. There are volcanoes that don't even look like volcanoes, like Yellowstone.
Yeah.
Yellowstone National Park, that's right on top of a super volcano.
Whoa.
So they look like all different types of things. They don't always look like they're tall and pointy, but they're all pretty cool and amazing.
When this is going on, and we should wrap up this segment, but every time I have like this science experiment going on and stuff, it just feels like I should whip off my glasses
Throw them down.
to save the world. No, this is super fun. Thank you,
Yeah.
Kylie.
Glad we had some fun doing some science today, dude.
All right, well, hey, join us next time, Star Studio Lab with the dude and Kylie. #Volcanoes. Later.